This is Duke University.
Let me start where Larry started, which is my own nature as a homosexual man. And I'll come back to that because by saying that you're gay, you raise and illustrate the problem of diversity with regard to sexual orientation, which is that you refer to your own sexual being. You refer to your sexual functioning, your erotic predisposition. So when I say that I'm gay, when I talk about myself as a homosexual man or a lesbian woman, I'm talking about one of the most intimate and private things about myself, my erotic attachments and my sexual functioning. And I came to terms with my homosexuality only after a failed marriage in my early 30s. And I was determined at that point never again to apologize. I had struggled for more than half my life at that point, from the onset of adolescence, to deny my existence as a same-sex oriented being, to repress it, to frighten it away, to ignore it, to overlay it, to concrete it down. I dated girlfriends, I got married, which was a painful experience for myself and for my wife, who is still a close personal friend. But during that marriage, I realized that it had been built on a lie, that I had been trying to live a life that was alien to my own inmost self. And when I decided to come out, I decided, as I've said, never to apologize in my life again. That was at the start of the 1980s. I'd come back from Oxford, where, as Larry said, I'd studied as a Rhodes Scholar, and I was starting a human rights practice in Johannesburg. It was an exciting time to be a lawyer in South Africa. Exciting and also frightening, because the apartheid government was in its last stages of decline, but also its most vicious display of power. But within the legal system, we still had room to challenge it. And that was why it was such an exciting time to be a lawyer in South Africa. And while doing cases for ANC freedom fighters, for white conscripts who were refusing to do military service, for people being removed from their land, for township organizations, for trade unions, I did a great deal of trade union work, I also declared myself openly to be homosexual.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.